Hi ladies, this video is on how to simplify fractions. So fractions are not simplified when a number can go both into the top and the bottom. So for example, 50 divided by 75 is not simplified because both of these have something that goes into it. So how could you figure that out? Well, you could write the multiples of each one. So this is 50 is 5 times 10. 75 is 5 times 15. You may not have known that, but what's another number that's even bigger that goes into both of them? Well, it's also 25 times 2 over 25 times 3. I like to think about it as counting change. If I have 2 quarters, I have 50 cents, and if I have 3 quarters, I have 75 cents. So if I had a ratio of 50 cents to 75 cents, that's a ratio of 2 to 3, or the fraction 2/3. So when I find the common multiple, I can cancel it out because I'm dividing from the top and the bottom. And my answer is 2/3. 2/3 was the answer, and there's lots of ways we could have done it. We could have divided by 5, but often you want to try to find the biggest number that goes into it. So here's another one, 22 over 77. So our strategy is to write the factors. 22 is 2 times 11. 77 is 7 times 11. Then, if I have a factor that's common on the top and the bottom, they cancel. And I'm left with 2/7. Okay, good luck on your own, ladies.